Alrighty folks, we are back at Signs and Wonders, and Pastor Taylor sent me a picture. It looks like the wall is done for the media area, because if it is, we're going to start with some hanging the TV and running some cables and all this other stuff in their final positions for the camera and all that other good stuff. So let's get started, and then we're going to head back outside while we still have some daylight and try and finish this up, at least get it up on top of the roof, and maybe try and punch a hole through the attic so we can have an entry point for all of our cables. All right, folks, look. The wall is up. Yeah. Open up another door here. But yeah. Hopefully they keep that exposed, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask them about, can I drop my cables down? Most likely, I'm gonna see if I can do it right here and maybe get an idea of what this stuff is, but probably gonna put our focus into this while they're finishing the work up over here. So we'll be relocating to back outside and working on that. Guess where I am at, people? And boom, we are done. Oh Lord, we're done. Oh, I'm gonna come up here and put some bricks on here just to stabilize that, but we are done. Let me get all the way over here and get down. All right, double productive day. We got this all the way over here. Now the main thing is just to see how far we get, and is it long enough for us to connect down here. If not, I do have fiber optic couplers and couplers for everything else if it's not long enough, but hopefully it is. So let's get up here, get this connected, and then we're gonna power on the connection on the other side as well as the cameras, make sure everything is working fine. Alrighty folks, we got everything connected here. We got the access point inside here turned on, getting a light through the fiber optic cable from over the roof, well, across the ground, around the building, over the roof and into the closet. So making very, very, very good progress. As you can see, access point is on. They are quickly finishing up this, which is going to be awesome. Walking back in here real quick, we got tons and tons of room in here. Half of this, well, not half, a little bit over there is going to be for the ushers, but more than enough space for a good workstation for the controller, the ATEM, presentation, all that good stuff, and then the audio will be set over here somewhere. So I am most likely going to be back here tomorrow night because I didn't get a chance. Here's the other recess power that I'm gonna put in Pastor Taylor's office, and then just based on what they have going on, I'm gonna start maybe migrating some of the stuff over there, running the cables down. I already have a hole over there, so running the cables there. And let me see, I didn't look up here. Are y'all planning on sealing this part up? All right, so we're gonna work on getting the cables. They're gonna seal that up tomorrow, and then I need to drop the HDMIs for the cameras, the 2 cameras, 3 cameras, the 2 TVs, 3 TVs, and Ethernet for the Ethernets cables for the PoE switch. They temporarily have it setting right here, but it's most likely going to be setting in there. I have a shelf that I can mount it on, so I'm probably going to do that here. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put some of those pass-throughs that I saved from doing the recess power. We're going to pass that through so we can run the XLR or the 1/4 inches, most likely it's 1/4 inches, for the subs. I mean, excuse me, not the subs, but the floor monitors. That's how we'll get everything over there. So anyway, awesome, very productive day, 2 churches, knocked out a lot of stuff today. It's almost like 8 o'clock here. So yeah, I think the only other TV we got to mount is the multi-view. Whenever they finish in there, hang that, and then we start moving all this gear inside of there. But anyway, folks, link is down below to everything that we used here. Again, thank you so much, Signs and Wonders. We're getting close. We're getting close. So we'll be talking to y'all later, folks. Later.